All right, let's talk Google Ads. If you're running a business, you know you need to be there, but man, have you seen all the options? It can be overwhelming. So in the next few minutes, we're going to break down all those campaign types so you can pick the perfect one to really grow your business without all the guesswork.
It really all comes down to this one big question, right? Where are your customers? You know they're out there, scrolling, searching, and shopping, but the internet is, well, it's huge. So how do you actually find them? That's the puzzle we're going to solve today.
Okay, before you even think about spending a single cent, we have to stop and ask, what is my goal? Seriously, are you trying to get the phone ring right now, get leads for your service, or are you playing the long game, just trying to get your brand name out there? Google Ads is like a giant toolbox, and your goal is going to tell you exactly which tool to grab first.
And that, right there, is the secret sauce. It's not about blasting your message to everyone. It's about connecting with the right people at the exact moment they realize, hey, I need this. So let's look at the most direct way to do that.
First up, let's talk about the lowest hanging fruit. I'm talking about the people who are literally on Google right now, typing in exactly what you offer. These folks have a problem and they're actively looking for a solution. They are ready to go.
This is the classic, the foundation of Google Ads, the search campaign. Think of it like opening a shop on the busiest street in the entire world. Someone types "jewelry shop near me," and boom, your text ad pops up right at the top of the page. It's the most direct path from their problem to your solution. But if you sell physical products, you've got a little fork in the road here. Are you a service business, like a consultant or a plumber? Then a text-based search campaign is absolutely for you. But if you have an online store with actual products on a shelf, well then, shopping campaigns are about to become your new best friend. These are so powerful because they're visual. Your customer sees a picture of the product, the title, and the price, all before they even click. It just cuts right to the chase and attracts people who are serious about buying.
Okay, so that's how we grab people who are already looking for us. But what about all those other people, the millions who would love what you do, but they just don't know you exist yet? For that, we need to switch gears from capturing demand to creating it.
Display ads are basically digital billboards. You're putting these beautiful, eye-catching image ads on all the websites and apps that your ideal customers are already visiting. So they might not be actively searching for you, but while they're reading a blog or checking the news, your ad can spark their interest.
And the scale here is just mind-boggling. We're talking about the Google Display Network, which includes millions and millions of websites, from huge news organizations down to tiny niche blogs. You can get your brand in front of people pretty much wherever they hang out online.
You know the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words? Well, a video is worth 1,000,000. Video campaigns, which you'll mostly see on YouTube, let you tell your story. You can really connect with people, show your personality, and grab their attention in a way that text or images just can't.
Now, if you want to get even more proactive, there's Demand Gen. These campaigns are designed to create interest completely from scratch. You use your most engaging videos and images to find whole new groups of customers who haven't even thought about searching for you.
And the key here is where these ads show up. It's in places where people are relaxed and open to discovery, like when they're scrolling through their YouTube feed, checking their personal Gmail, or browsing the Discover feed on their phone. You're not interrupting them, you're becoming part of what they discover.
So we've got campaigns for people who are searching and campaigns to create new interest. But what if you could have one single superpowered campaign that just did it all?
Well, say hello to Performance Max. This is the new star of the show. It's basically an AI-powered campaign where you just give Google your goals, your budget, and your creative assets, your text, images, and videos. Then its AI goes out and finds the best customers for you across every single channel Google has.
And this is why it's such a game changer. Just look at this. With one single setup, you unlock the entire Google universe. Your ads can show up on Search, YouTube, Display, Gmail, Discover, literally everywhere. The AI does all the heavy lifting to find your customers wherever they are. It's the whole shebang.
So after all that, the million-dollar question remains, which one is right for your business? Okay, let's pull it all together and make this super simple.
This right here is your cheat sheet. Seriously, you might want to pause and take a screenshot. All you have to do is find your main goal in that middle column. Need leads like yesterday? Start with search. Selling products from an online store? Go straight to shopping. Just want to get your name out there? Display and video are your friends. And if you want to let Google's AI do the work and cover all the bases, Performance Max is your go-to. Because at the end of the day, picking a campaign isn't just a marketing decision. Each of these is a different way to tell your story and connect with people who need what you have to offer. So the real question isn't just which ad you should run. It's what story are you ready to tell?